Hello, welcome to Lots of Food and Barbecue. So I've got this rib roast and I've been trying to decide for a week or so what to cook with it, and I've come to the conclusion I'm going to do it on the rotisserie. I never made a roast on the rotisserie, so this will be a first. Anyway, if you tag along, I'm going to show you how I am going to do that. Okay, welcome to Lots of Food and Barbecue. Today we're going to truss up and rotisserie this ribeye roast on the Weber Kettle. This is a 4-pound roast, and I'm just going to remove the silver skin and the excess fat and then season it, salt, pepper and garlic. That's going to be it. I'm going to tie it up a little bit, and let me bring you along and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to just grind some fresh salt, pepper and garlic on this. Okay, so I'm going to tie this up. Just shape it a little bit. This is to keep the meat from flopping around while cooking it. I'm going to have to get me some real butcher's twine. It's a little bit thicker. And there we go. So I've got these twines about 1 inch apart. I'm going to put it on the little skewer. I will have to adjust this when I get outside, and then this is going to go on the outside there, I think. It's going to be good. I don't have to puncture the meat. Something like so. So rotisserie ring on. I've got my charcoal baskets. I'm going to use them. I'm going to put an aluminum pan in between to catch up the drippings. I'm probably going to put a little bit of stock and some veg in there. I'll decide in a few minutes. Anyway, I've got a couple of those natural charcoal cubes, charcoal lighter cubes burning on there, and they take forever. So I'm just going to leave this for a bit until it's ashed over. Anyway, meet you back out here in a bit. Okay, charcoal's basket filled and lid on, vents open. I'm gonna bring this. Okay, so I put a can with some veggies, and there's actually a little bit dried up mushrooms. I'm gonna try to revitalize. This had settled in at about 350, so I think that's good enough. I'm gonna try to get it down to just over 300. Anyway, I'm gonna take the meat and put that on. So gonna go just like so. So we're just going to turn this on and put the lid back on, and then I think that's centered enough. Doesn't really matter. It's still above the dripping pan. Anyway, I'm going to leave this on here and then take it off when it's 1:30ish or something like that. Time to temp this. 139. This is too done. In my taste, I'm gonna take it off. This has been resting for about 25 minutes. Let's cut into it. Should be a medium, maybe medium and rare, but well, so far so good. This is, as Jason Gonal over at GQ Barbecue said yesterday, bumper to bumper pink, I would say. This smells really, really good. There we go. Rib roast on the rotisserie, first time ever. Let's try it. It's really good. Seasoning was perfect for this, and the medium of the roast is just like we wanted. So That's good. It's gonna be good for everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye.